Okay. It's a question based on the concept of log A. It's a very interesting question. Look at this. It's saying that log of n square minus 7n plus 11. What's the base here? It's less than 1. 1 by 4 has to be greater than 0. How many distinct integral values of n are going to satisfy this? Now, if I ask you, log of a to the power b is greater than 0, if it is given, what can be said about this a? That means if you're able to find the log of a, in that case, a has to be what? Greater than 0. Yes or no? It should be greater than 0. N square minus 7n plus 11. We're able to find the log of this number, and we know that log of negative number is not defined. But this is defined. That's why n square minus 7n plus 11 has to be greater than 0. So the first thing which I got from here is n square minus 7n plus 11 should be greater than 0. Now look at this one. Log of a to the base b is greater than 0. So let's say this is equal to 0. अगर ये equal to 0 होता, in that case, I would have written it like this. B to the power 0, exponential form. But this is what? Greater than 0. Greater than 0 means this is a positive number. This is a positive number. So in that case, A is greater than B to a positive number. And what's the value of B here? What's the base here? It's 1 by 4. 1 by 4 to the power any positive number. 1 by 4 to the power any positive number. What are you going to get here? Let's say it's 2. So 1 by 4 square is 1 by 16. Let's say it's 3. It's 1 by 64. Definitely, it will be what? In that case, it will be greater than 0 or less greater than 1. Think about that. It would be greater than 0 or greater than 1. So this is going to be positive always. Yes or no? That means what do you want? The right hand side should always be positive. So A is going to be less than 1 always. See, अगर ये equal to होता, in that case, I would have said A is equal to 1 by 4 raised to the power a positive number. Now, A is equal to 1 by 4 to the power positive number. Positive number, it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3. In any case, this value is going to be less than what? Always 1. This is always less than 1. Had it been negative, A is equal to 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 2. Raised to the power minus 2. In that case, what will happen? You'll get 16 as the answer. If I say this is minus 1, you'll get 4 as the answer. But this is positive. That's why A has to be what? Less than 1. That means this whole term should be less than 1. So it's a combination of two inequalities. N square minus 7n plus 11 has to be greater than 0 because log of a negative number is not defined. But since you want the right hand side to be positive, in that case, this number should be less than 1 because the base is what? It's a fraction. So can we write it like this? N square minus 7s plus 11 is greater than 0 but less than 1. So let's try to solve this inequality in two parts. If you look at the second part, n square minus 7n plus 11 should be less than 1. Effectively, what do we get? N square minus 7n plus 10 is less than 0. You get two parts here, two roots, n minus 2 and n minus 5. Less than 0. Now, equal to 0 is not allowed. That's why the value of n should lie between 2 and 5, excluding 2 and 5. Now, how many integral values lie between 2 and 5? There are only two such values. One is 3 and the other one is 4. Yes or no? These are the two possible answers. I would have marked the answer as C option, but I need to cross check this part of the inequality also. I'm not going to solve this inequality. What I'll do, I'll directly check it for 3 and 4, that these two values are going to satisfy it or not. Need to satisfy the second part of the inequality, which is n square minus 7n plus 11 should be greater than 0. When you put n equal to 3 here, this gives you 9 minus 21 plus 11, which is minus 1, not greater than 0. That means 3 is not going to satisfy this condition. What if I put n equal to 4? I get 16 minus 28 plus 11. 11 plus 16, 27. 27 minus 28 is again minus 1. That means 4 will not satisfy this condition. So these two values are not going to satisfy the second part of the inequality. That's why I can say that no such integer is possible. So the answer has to be second option, B.